Hey Dan, here is your 6-lane timer. Everything is brand new. The stuff that you had sent back was broken and warped and not usable at all. So I rebuilt everything for you. So once you have everything set up, you will just run your race. Cars run through the start and through the finish. I also changed the orientation of this, so now it faces the start gate like you had asked for. So now
Winner, lane 5.
do that again. Oh.
Hot Wheels racers, pick your lane. Winner, lane 5.
All right. I am also resending the link to the videos of how to set this up because it's a little tricky getting these aligned right here. But this slides up and down to adjust the laser. And this side also slides up and down to adjust the receiver. So that should be fine. And the as you can see, the laser is here. I put this out a little bit more so you can make adjustments if you have to. But there's also a video for how to do that. So, all right, have fun racing.